We are going to work on the user dashboard by using what is called nested route or nested component. To see it in action, let's go ahead and implement it. I have already provided the dashboard component, and inside the template, we have it as user dashboard. Alright, so let's go ahead and then render this component for you to see how it's going to work. So back to the app.jsx, I'm going to require the user dashboard, where I have to place it inside the users component, but not in the template. Awesome. So now let me close this guy, and then over here, let's require from the user folder. Awesome. I'm going to create a route for it, and let me start from here, or use this by duplicating and say user dashboard, and then the path here is going to be dashboard. Let's go ahead and then go to /dashboard, and this is what we have. We have the sidebar navigation, and if I click on any of these ones, as you can see, the nav bar is gone. So let's look at the structure for the user dashboard. This is from Tailwind CSS. These are the navigations, which can be found on the left side here. We have create post, my followers, following, create plan, add category, my earnings, and settings. Let's see where they are located. And here they are. Name, the path, and then the icon. Name here is create, the path, likewise these guys. And inside here, we are looping through the navigations as that. And this one is for the desktop one. It follows the same principles as settings here, as you see. And here, we are going to place some content. Let me show you what I mean here. At the moment, if I click on any of these links, for example, create new post, as you can see, it has replaced with this component that doesn't exist. How are we going to render the component in the dashboard? For example, if I click on the new post here, I want to see the form over here than to replace with the form. And React Router DOM make our life easier by using what is called outlet. So let's bring in what is called outlet from React Router DOM, which is this. Now, inside here, where we have your content here, we have the outlet here. So this one is going to be any component that we are going to click on. It's supposed to be rendered inside here. But with this one being implemented, unless we modify the way we are using the dashboard, we are going to use it as a high order function. So over here, instead of using the self-closing, it's going to be as this. And then inside here, we're going to pass in the individual route that we want to render inside the dashboard. So in here, we are going to render the creating of the post. In this case, this one. So copy this one and then place it inside the user dashboard. So now this component wraps this one. Now this one becomes the outlet, which is this. So now the path to the create post has now changed, because now it begins with the dashboard and then / the create post. But anytime you are using nested component, for the path for the nested component, we don't bring in the /. So now for this, remove that. So now the endpoint becomes dashboard / create post. So let me go ahead and then render this one. And if I go to / create post, now as you can see, we have the form being rendered inside here. And if I go to create post without the dashboard, there is no component being rendered. I have also connected the path to this link. When I click on dashboard, as you can see, I'm on the dashboard page. Let me show you where I linked that one up. And back to the private component, supposed to be private navbar, this one. And let's see the dashboard icon, which is this one. Have you seen that? I'm linking to the path of dashboard, which is this one over here. Now we know that it is working. Awesome. So as we move on, we are going to show these components. At the moment, we are done with the creating of the post, and my post 2 will go ahead and do it. Likewise, these guys. Let's continue into the next video.